Hi there, my mom is Mania Mom. She knows how to do many things. She cuts it, welds it, weaves it, knits it, from metal art to stained glass, crafts, metal gates, vintage trailer renovation, beaded fabric books, recycled lamps, even her own carpentry to build her studio. She is in her 80s and so creative with her hands, with plasma cutter, welder, and crafter. She even draws her own metal designs. She is project-oriented. Our family loves to work on projects. She has inspired many folks, including me, her daughter, and her family, and she is still going strong. We're in Mania Mom's studio, one of them, and we're talking about the Miss Noodle doll. So, Mom, what inspired the kitchen art, the Noodle doll?
Well, I had 80-some years of scraps from knitting, crocheting, my mom, my sister, nice friends, and I save everything. And I thought, what can I do with this? I thought long and hard and went out to my metal yard, looked through all my scraps where I weld and everything, and I found something, a vase, came in, started creating. Got my thinking cap on, and as I created, it kind of grew like Topsy. I made this, I made a flower for her head. I made it to go in the thin wall that I have out in the kitchen.
Oh, the narrow space?
The narrow space that I have out in the kitchen. I just wanted it to be there as something pretty.
Yeah, because it is a beautiful, narrow kitchen art.
If I made another one, I'd probably make it totally different. But I have no more materials. So
And
now I got to create something else.
It's really cute.
I
It's beautiful.
used boiled wool for the hair.
You boiled it?
No, it was something that somebody had done. It used to be something that was made back in the 20s. And I know that blanket was from the 20s.
Oh, you recycled it from a blanket?
I recycled it. It was an old little crib blanket. And it was beautiful wool, thick and rich.
Yeah, it is beautiful. I was just amazed when I walked into your other studio and I saw you making this noodle doll. And here, let's get some close-ups of it. Yeah. And did you use up all the yarn?
I used every bit of it. I made it as full as I could.
Uh-huh.
And now that you said top ramen, I'm hungry.
Well, I said ramen.
As ramen. Now that you said ramen, I'm hungry. I want a noodle dish. All the items you see are made from scraps.